So I drove through here. I've never seen these before. This guy has built like a little city into the mountain. There's like a little house built into the mountain there. There's another one here. And then he's got like a whole little ghost town. A motel, Bob's Welding, gun store, Murphy's Cabinet. View from here, keep off property. Okay, they just don't want you up there walking around on it. That makes sense. Rat rod shop, post office, the butt crack plumber, Wild Weenie hot dogs, Mr. Chang's general merchandise. Like, this guy has put a lot of work into this little mini town. This is actually kind of awesome. I may have to come back and do another video. He's got a little lake and a river. Wow.
That's what you do when you live out there.
And the animal shelter. Yeah, you got time on your hands, that's for sure. A little bridge. Oh, it keeps going. Gopher Gulch. Wow. And the junkyard.